So hey everybody, this is Jared from Best Cigar Prices, and today we are smoking Octane from AJ Fernandez, the latest Best Cigar Prices exclusive. It is bred for speed, and we are here to find out if this is going to race off the line or sputter across the finish. So make sure you stick around and find out everything there is to know about the cigar. Now, before we get into the full review, let's talk about what's under the hood. Now, for the Octane engine, if you will, we're looking at an Ecuador Sumatran wrapper. We have a Nicaraguan Corojo binder, and then all Nicaraguan fillers. Now, there's some Ligero in here, there's some Viso and Seco in here, but I think a lot of the Ligero, which is the stronger tobacco, is doing most of the talking. So let's go ahead and start with the first third and see how it's shaping up. So we are off to a great start. Octane has got this buttery sweetness. It's a little bit tangy. Right now, that Ecuador Sumatra is doing most of the talking. As far as strength and body, we're looking at medium plus. A little bit of a spoiler alert, this cigar does get quite strong, but off the line, pretty tame. And I'm really interested to see where this ends up in the midsection, so stay tuned. So now we're burning well into the heart of this Octane Robusto. And I have to say the flavors have shifted. We're looking a little bit more of an earthiness, a lot more pepper actually. And the sweetness that was there in the beginning is a little bit less in the forefront, just not in the spotlight. Still there, just not in the spotlight. And this is where the power is really starting to creep up. I would almost say canonically AJ at this point. So if you've smoked AJ cigars, you know they're strong, and this is fulfilling that legacy. So I want to see how this wraps up, if it continues its strength, if the flavors evolve even further. So we're going to burn it a little bit farther and tell you about the final third. Gotta say, I'm really impressed. My final thoughts for Octane are that it is a powerhouse. If you're a fan of AJ's stronger stuff, you're gonna find a lot to love here. It's very complex in terms of both the amount of flavors that it has to offer and in terms of the changes as it evolves throughout its length. I think what's important here is that each one of the sections, the first third, the middle third, and then the final third, all have their own identity. So if stronger cigars, again, are your thing, I think this is going to be a shoe-in for your shortlist. You can get Octane cigars at bestcigarprices.com exclusively, and we'll see you all in the next video.